Struggling with slow, messy meal prep? Discover the Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer solution. Ever spent more time slicing and chopping vegetables than actually enjoying your meal? It's a problem almost every home cook faces: endless prep work that leaves you frustrated and your kitchen in disarray. Whether you're chopping cucumbers for a salad, grating cheese for a casserole, or trying to make perfect zoodles, traditional tools can make the process feel like a chore. You need a solution that simplifies your meal prep, saves time, and keeps your kitchen tidy, without sacrificing quality or safety. Thankfully, the Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer offers the answer to all of these problems. Looking for the right tool to speed up your kitchen routine, you might have considered a range of gadgets, each promising to make slicing and dicing easier. But most fall short. Knives can be dangerous, old-fashioned slicers can be messy, and bulky machines take up too much space. Plus, none of them offer the versatility needed for all kinds of tasks. What you need is a tool that can handle everything from thin slices to Julienne cuts, all while making cleanup a breeze. Enter the Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer, the only tool you'll ever need for fast, precise meal prep. With 6 interchangeable blades, the Fullstar Slicer is a game-changer for anyone looking to slice, dice, Julienne, and spiralize with ease. You no longer need to juggle multiple gadgets for different tasks. From thick cucumber slices for sandwiches to delicate ribbons for garnishes, this tool does it all. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, while the catch tray keeps your counter mess-free. Designed with safety in mind, it even comes with a finger guard and protective gloves to prevent accidents, giving you complete control over every slice, grate, and spiral. When you're preparing meals for yourself or your family, time matters. The Fullstar Slicer saves you precious minutes by letting you prep in seconds. Whether you're making a fresh salad, grating cheese, or crafting a healthy stir-fry, the job is done in a fraction of the time. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts ensure a quick, mess-free cleanup. With all its parts neatly organized and easy to store, this tool offers both convenience and functionality, no more cluttered counters or hunting for missing parts. It's the easiest way to create meals without the usual prep hassles. So, what's the verdict? The Fullstar 6-in-1 Mandoline Slicer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's the ultimate tool that brings efficiency, safety, and convenience together in one compact, easy-to-use device. It saves you both time and money, eliminating the need for multiple, costly kitchen tools. Durable, easy to clean, and versatile, it's built to last and backed by a satisfaction promise. Whether you're a busy parent, a professional chef, or someone who just loves quick, healthy meals, the Fullstar Slicer is your go-to solution to meal prep perfection.